Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we can see that Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish at the moment, getting a nice bounce from this purple trend line still. Right now we are trying to hold the $34,700 level, and from there we actually just we had a big wick down, but now it looks like we're moving towards the upside on the daily time frame. Like I said, we had that green dot. It's looking pretty bullish right now. We have a -5 and a 23. Money flow still in the red, but things are looking up, right? We can definitely climb back up to potentially maybe $40,000 to $43,000. We are going to start to see some resistance at 39,000, but things are looking up, right? But what I want to bring your attention to is the stock market, the traditional markets. And as we can see, we had a big sell-off in the stock market. Or I shouldn't say big, but pretty significant. We went as far as almost 10% down in the Dow Jones. We went down as much as 11% in the SP 500, and the Nasdaq, I believe, was the worst of them all. We went down 16%, a 16% sell-off in an index. So now, if that doesn't tell you something to come, then you should really look into it. Because if the Fed start to, the Fed's been changing its narrative now about raising rates and tapering, and as we could see, the taper and the rate hikes and the hawkish Fed is starting to have an effect on traditional markets with this big sell-off happening. For the time being, we're holding the support level. And we did make a nice trade the other day on this, so about 40 or 20% we were stopped on profit, but overall very good trade. But I just want to bring your attention to, if the Fed does raise the rates in March, and the market starts to sell off like crazy, then you're going to see a big sell-off in Bitcoin as well. And I'm not like this could bring Bitcoin down as far as 20,000, maybe even 19,000. The previous all-time high would be my first target, and if we get to even lower levels than that, we might even aim as low as 14,000, right? We might go as low as 13,850. Now those are basically my two targets. If what I think is going to happen happens, I hope it doesn't happen, but I've been betting on this happening for a long time, and I mean, it's just the fundamentals, they don't make sense anymore. You have so much debt and rising rates. What do you think is going to happen? The Fed won't be able to service their own debt, and inflation is going to run through the roof, and people are going to start running to scarce asset Bitcoin potentially. But I have my eye mostly on gold and other investments. But I just want everyone to trade with caution and to be cautious, not to go all in one asset class, and to diversify into a variety of asset classes. Right now I would be getting out of growth and momentum and switching to value stocks, but that's for stock Sundays. Right now we're gonna stay on Bitcoin, but yeah, you guys get the gist of it. I've been saying this for a while. If the traditional markets sell off, the Bitcoin's gonna sell off as well. And now I'm gonna be looking to enter maybe some new short positions on the Dow Jones. If we do get a bounce from here, we're probably going to come up to maybe 35,700. Like I said before, I did end up closing my trade from this entry. We had another big wick down today, all the way down to 33,596, and now we're back up to 34,400. Now, if we do get a pump up to 35, I'm going to be looking to short this level. So definitely pay attention to that, guys. If you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. That's where I post my trades live. Now, getting back on Bitcoin to 37,500. Looking quite bullish at the moment. If we do have a nice rise up, then we could potentially maybe go back up to 42,000 or maybe 40,000 before, like, we're going to see some resistance at these levels, but we could definitely blast right through this and potentially get back up to 42. Once we get to 42, you should definitely maybe consider taking some profits. We're going to have a major trend line coming down here. I'll draw it on the Discord and share it with you guys, but we're going to have a lot of resistance trying to break above this. And we can even take a look at the EMA ribbons at the moment. Quite expanded, but this should make for a nice rise towards the upside. Like I said, 40,000 right there should be your first resistance. And let's take a look at our hash ribbons right here. Still have not crossed, looking pretty good. Buy signal still there. I haven't closed my position yet. You guys can hold yours if you want. Definitely up to you. down 16% from the entry from the buy position, but overall I think it's still looking pretty good. Still looking like a nice deal at these prices. You'd be even discounted from the buy signal back in August. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and if you haven't already, definitely join our Discord. That's where I post my trades and my market analysis. And Daniel has been going crazy this week with the analysis, just posting consistently in the Discord. Thank you so much, Daniel. You're awesome. You're the man. Love you guys. Peace. Also, we're at 7,500 subscribers. Just want to thank everyone for your support. And if you haven't already, we're going to have our giveaway at 10,000. And I just want to say only Discord members now can win during the giveaways to avoid scammers just joining the unfortunately the live chat and just trying to scam people out of their money. So only Discord members can win now. Love you guys. Peace.